Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update. And Solana has broken a downtrend that has never been broken in a very long time. Now, yesterday in our signals, I was really looking forward to buy Solana, but I was a little bit confused with Bitcoin and what Bitcoin was doing, but it's okay. But what I'm going to say, guys, is that Solana now is looking to make a nice lovely move to the upside. You already came down, make a nice beautiful W pattern here, and you broke out of the W. The next technical target, ladies and gents, takes you from here to here, and you're looking for Solana to basically take you all the way up for a pump near the $44. I actually missed this entry, and yesterday even uploaded this video, and I told you in a detailed analysis in Solana's video yesterday. I actually missed this trade. I did miss the trade. I'm gonna be honest with you, but I was expecting it to actually retest, but Bitcoin was kind of shady at that time. And I was like, man, I want to take the entry, but Bitcoin is misbehaving. But Bitcoin is now good, okay? Bitcoin is looking to go to $24,000 out of an inverse head and shoulder. What's the Bitcoin update if you want to know what Bitcoin is about to do? So don't expect any dumps. I don't expect. And that's it for today's quick update on Solana. See you at the $44, and then we're going to talk about what's going to happen next. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love it.